kids of the internet, this is your new Tita next door, Tita Cherry, and welcome to another episode of Tita Cherry's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some rice cakes, also known in the Philippines as Puto. In addition to that, I will also teach you a variation of it called Putopao, which is a fusion of Puto and siopao, or meat bun. Okay, let's start! Here are the ingredients that we will need. 3 cups flour, 1 1/2 cups sugar, 3 tablespoons baking powder, 6 tablespoons powdered milk, 3 cups water, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. You can also use margarine, and cheese and coloring if you want them to look colorful. Those are the ingredients for the puto. And for the putopao, we basically just add some meat filling into that mix. And here are the ingredients for the filling: ground pork, garlic powder, onion powder, green onions, salt, ground pepper, soy sauce, and hard-boiled egg. For the puto mix, we will just add all the ingredients until we reach the desired consistency. So first the flour, then the sugar, the baking powder, the powdered milk, the butter, and our water. There's no more lump, so this is ready for cooking. Now we're going to set aside half of this mixture for our putopao. And let's add 1 color to each mixture. And we have yellow. Now everything is ready. Now I'm preparing puto molders, and we'll put 1 mixture for 4 molders. So we'll start with blue. Be sure that there is only 3/4 full in one molder. So while I'm filling the molders, I am now preheating the steamer. Now our steamer is ready, and we'll put our molders, our filled-in molders in it, and we will steam it for 12 minutes. For 12 minutes. Start. Now let's wait until it's ready.
Hey guys, we're not supposed to open this until it's done, but I just want to show to you how beautiful they are when they rise. Look.
30 seconds left. Now let's turn off the heat and let's put our cheese. So let's leave it with the cheese for 30 seconds until it melts a little bit. that's it. Let's take them out from our steamer. See, this is now our puto. They look so beautiful, colorful, and most of all, they are so yummy. Now the next thing that we're going to do is, we'll make our Putopao. Now we're going to do our filling. Since the puto mix is already done, this is half of the mixture of our puto. We're going to put our cookware on the stove and put a little bit of oil so it won't stick. So our ground pork and put everything on it. So we're going to put our garlic powder, our onion powder, our ground pepper, our 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and our soy sauce. And we're gonna mix until it's done. So our filling is ready and our puto mixture is ready as well. So I already had my liner inside the molder, and the first thing that we're gonna do is put puto mixture in it. Just 1/4, and put 1.5 tablespoons of our filling and cover it with our puto mixture. And do the same thing. Oops. Puto mixture, our filling, and another puto mix. Be sure that it is covered. Our steamer is ready, and we're going to put our mixture in the steamer. Okay, we'll cover the steamer and let's set the timer for 12 to 14 minutes. And now it's done. We're going to wait until 13 minutes. There's only 1 minute left. So we're gonna open our steamer and put our cheese and hard-boiled eggs on top of it. So that's it for this video. Our puto and our Putopao. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. See you next video. Bye.